IronMan awning. This is a really cool awning I purchased. They come with these cool L brackets, but I have these Amazon roof racks. They fit on the gutters, so I can't fit this L bracket on there. So what I'm doing is, you can see here I drilled a hole, and then there's the 4 other holes that I'm gonna make so that it fits the back of the awning. I made a little stencil out of paper, and then these are the screws that it comes with. They just slide in and out. So use this bracket that it came with to line up the holes. I like to make things harder. So now I got the 4 holes. The moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Boom. It fits. Yes. So now I just need to drill them up here with my stencil. Should be good to go. See first. Got it. Tighten these up now on both sides. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm so glad that they included this wrench that spins, because it's impossible to tighten them with these. So thank you, IronMan. It's looking good. Not bad. Also comes with this LED light. It's pretty cool. You just dim it, and then there's a 12 volt that plugs into your car. It's pretty cool.